today's scrambled eggs, but on a whole new level. So guys, let's do it. So this is a bit of an experiment, a little bit of fun. I'm going to try and make the most indulgent scrambled eggs you can imagine. So first, take a bowl and you want some good quality free-range eggs. Crack your eggs into a bowl, but don't whisk them up, just leave them whole. And then you want to take a frying pan or a saucepan, pop it on the hob, turn the heat to medium, and we want some unsalted butter. Chuck in a good few knobs of your butter, and the first step for these indulgent scrambled eggs, we're going to make a beurre noisette. Shake the pan every few moments, and you want to cook out the butter until it starts to get nice and foamy. And the secret to a great beurre noisette, you need to cook the butter until the foaming just stops. The butter will be lovely and golden brown, and you'll see loads of little black dots in the butter. This is where the proteins have caramelized. So as you can see, the butter is beautiful and foamy, and once the foaming dies down, there we have a delicious burnt butter sauce. Pop your beurre noisette to one side, and we need a good non-stick frying pan, preferably with high walls. Add a tiny touch of butter, turn the heat down low, and then chuck in your eggs. And the first step, just break open those yolks and give it a nice gentle stir to mix everything through. Don't beat the eggs up too much, just keep stirring them. Don't let them catch on the bottom. We want to slowly start to build up those lovely scrambled curds. So keep stirring, keep the heat on low. You can take the pan off and on the heat just to keep things steady. Patience is a virtue with good scrambled eggs. Once the eggs start to catch on the bottom and solidify, make sure you keep stirring them, and when they're starting to get curdy and creamy, add a little pinch of salt and then give them another good stir, and then our beurre noisette. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons, stir through the browned butter, and then the eggs are going to need another 30 seconds or so. And with scrambled eggs, you don't want them fluffy, we want them really nice and creamy. So just at the point where they're about done, turn off the heat, and then another secret ingredient, we want some lovely indulgent clotted cream. Add a heaped teaspoon of the clotted cream, stir that through, and there we have the most delicious and indulgent scrambled egg. Eat your heart out, Gordon Ramsay. Pour them out on the plate and let's give it a try. So to be honest, these might be some of the best scrambled eggs I've ever tried, certainly that I've ever made. So give them a try, and I'll see you next time.